Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video, we're doing an update here for Jasmy. So taking a look on our weekly time frame, Jasmy continues to show very bullish resilience, maintaining its position above our 50% of our Fibonacci at 0.03740. Now, the candlesticks itself is forming a very small bodied green candlestick, reflecting possible consolidation between the buyers and the sellers, so a little bit more equal on both sides. The 20 moving average here at 0.03011, it does remain as a solid area of support, providing that long-term bullish momentum. So if we do see any possible pullbacks, take a look at the 20 moving average as we may see support there. The RSI is roughly around the 61%, so this does indicate some moderate bullish trend. If we do push around 65%, then we can be able to validate that bullish rally. But again, it may show some overbought territory, so just be cautious going forward as we may see a retrace. Meanwhile, when we take a look at the MACD indicator, it does show that these histograms or these bars are getting smaller in size, so suggesting that the buyers are taking this top very cautiously here. If Jasmy is able to push higher, suggesting around the 4 cents from that neckline on the daily time frame, then price can come up to 0.04258 or possibly around that 5 cents, depending on how strong the bullish rally looks. Now, shifting over to the daily time frame, we see Jasmy faced with the rejection around the neckline of a double bottom chart pattern around that 4 cents. So like we said here, the 4 cents is going to be a key area if Jasmy is going to see that 5 cents in the near future. Now, this pullback here hasn't invalidated the double bottom quite yet, as we see the price is supported by the 78% of our fib here and the 20 moving average. The RSI is holding strong at 62%, still signaling some bullish strength, though a slight pullback from that overbought levels around that resistance area may occur. Now, if we take a look at our MACD indicator line here, we are still confirming some bullish momentum. So this does suggest that the bulls still have control with possible consolidation, meaning price moving from resistance to support as we're seeing some equalness in the lower time frame, and I'll get to that 4 hours here. Now, if again the price does break above the 4 cents, be very cautious because we want to treat the 4 cents as a resistance turned into support to make sure that breakout isn't a false breakout from this double bottom pattern. Now, going into the 4 hour time frame here, again, we do see Jasmy has been rejected from that resistance line and also is being supported by this ascending trend line. If we take a look at the RSI, 58% does indicate some mild bullish momentum. It isn't suggested as strong. I want to say around the 60 to 65% is a very strong bullish momentum. So be very cautious as we were just in the overbought and getting rejected from that resistance line. Now, the MACD indicator is showing very weak momentum, shifting from the bulls to the bears here. So again, kind of validating the consolidation that I did mention earlier. Now, the prices briefly hit the 78% of our fib and is retracing slightly. So be cautious about going into Jasmy. In my own opinion, definitely let me know what you guys think down below as we see the smaller bodies, which does show a lot of tug of war in terms of the bulls and the bears here. We're not seeing that push from either side. Now, if we do see a break of this trend line, the next support area is going to be around our 60% of our fib at 0.036, which may be a good opportunity for some bulls to step in if we do see some indicators on our some hints on our indicators. Now, here's some key levels for you guys to kind of take away from our videos. Of course, we've already outlined the resistance area of the 4 cents. If we're able to push that with strong volumes to back it up, we are most likely going to come up to the 61% of our fib at the 0.04250 found on the daily time frame as an area of resistance, and possibly aim for that 0.049 or possibly that 5 cents on the weekly time frame breakout. Now, if we do see some selling candlesticks especially if we see a red engulfing candlesticks after these smaller bodied candlesticks, then take a look at supporting areas on our 20 moving average on the daily time frame at 0.03703, and then possibly around the 61% of our Fibonacci on our 4 level around the 0.036 if we're unable to hold the 20 moving average. But that's kind of my take on Jasmy here for today. I did kind of leave a snapshot because I was kind of going through my laptop this morning, going through your lovely comments, by the way. Thank you guys so much for that. And saw that kind of hint. The reason why I brought that out is because sometimes it can be very scary trading, especially if you're influenced by a lot of people on social media and you're very, bullish and get very excited. Sometimes even me too do really stupid mistakes on that. But especially near areas of resistance, just make sure that you're checking all of your indicators, some of your candlesticks, the volumes, like essentially check a whole bunch of that stuff before you dip in. But yeah, I hope you guys appreciated that update. I'll try to do that as much as I can. I do have a busy week coming up, but I'll try to keep you guys posted as much as I can. But thank you guys so much for showing the love, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.